In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset two-step login for an employee in BambooHR. So to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard and you must be an admin to be able to do this. Then you want to go to the top right, click on the settings button to open up the settings. And then from here, from within your settings, you want to scroll down and find the login page. So you want to go to the account tab, and then here it says login settings. So you want to go to this page over here. And then from here, you'll be able to see a few things on the right whenever they load. There we go. And it's going to say two-step login over here. So you want to go and click on the settings button next to the two-step login. And you want to click on the reset employees two-step login. Now, again, you must be an admin to be able to do this. And then from here, as you can see, it's going to tell you exactly what this is going to do. So basically, you'll have to use this when an employee or other user needs to reset their two-step login, okay? So you can just go and select the employee. So I have only myself over here, but of course, if multiple employees have a two-step authentication set up, you'll be able to see them here on the list. So click on the one you want to reset for, then click on the reset button at the bottom right, and that's all you have to do. As you can see, it's been reset for that specific employee. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.